I want you to think about it.
You got shit on my face.
Nah.
No. What happened? The toilet water?
The water like rock.
Motherfucker.
Sorry.
Sorry, what?
Look like something coming out.
Yo!
What? Oh my god.
But you see, I'm having a hard time doing that.
Yeah, I've been trying to flush it, but it's like, I don't know, it's just not doing it.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, you made me a big poopy.
Can you help me?
What is this?
Can you help me?